Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy property on Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing that you want to do here is open up Monopoly Go. Now from here, you'll be redirected to your main board. So how do you actually buy properties here? Well, the best and easiest way for us to buy properties here is via the build section that you see at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, what you need to do, go to the bottom section here that says build. Just click on it, and from here you will see all of the structures that you have. So in this case, since some of my friends or some random people actually attack this one, I'm just going to go ahead and fix my properties. Now for you to start or buy properties here, what you need to do is just click on those properties. So in this case, I have this house here, or kind of castle. Just click on the first one here. So the cost of that structure being built is just below it. So as you can see, it's around 136k. So if you have that much, you'll be able to build or improve that property. Now from here, you could go ahead and just build all of these properties here until you finish all of this one. So once you complete all of this one, you'll be redirected to the next board, which is an upgrade wherein you can build additional properties. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.